Hello, in this video we'll demonstrate missing values treatment in Pandas. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for missing values treatment Pandas. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. This use case requires Pandas library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code now. Here we are importing the necessary libraries. Then we create a data frame df. Then each of the 5 columns is initialized with a list of strings. Print df displays the original data frame before any data cleaning operations. And here the data cleaning is done. Let's run the code now. And you have demonstrated missing values treatment in Pandas.